Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a tutorial on how to download Steam. It is free and all you need to do is have a computer and or just go into first go into your Google tab, whatever you're going on, and just search up download for Steam. And then you just go to Steam, the Ultimate Game Platform, or almost any other one. You can do it here, and you obviously log in. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it real quick. And once you've got it open, you can do all of your stuff here. You got, the store, library, community, your name right here, so you can do your activity and stuff. And that is how you download Steam. And if you want to add a game that isn't Steam, you go to add a game, add a non-Steam game, and you can just select whatever it is, put it out on your take it out of the files and place it out here, like this, put it right there, or whatever it is you want to put on your Steam to be able to use through Steam. And then you go to add a game, and non-Steam game, then it will give you everything that is out there, and you can choose whatever it is you want. For me, I have nothing currently, I'll put Minecraft on, so make sure it's double clicked, add selected program, and now if I go there, Minecraft launcher, I hit play, and it launched my Minecraft. So that is how you download Steam and add a non-Steam product. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.